grill patterning tool. So for right now, let's make a sketch and let's put it right there on the face. Let's offset this little object here to 0. That way it's actually right where we want it to be, so we know it's exactly a copy of that line. Let's go into the extrude tool. Let's go -5. And let me show you what it looks like from an angle so you can actually see it. So from angle, we're going internally. We don't want to join. Because it's so close to that thing, it is going to try and join for you. So make sure you check the operation here. Hit OK. Again, if you can't see the internals, I highly recommend using shaded with hidden edges. It'll give you a lot of information. And now we're going to make our grill pattern. So the way we do this is we go into the sketch and we draw directly on the surface. We haven't used any measuring tools yet, but in general, if you wanted to know how to measure, you would click a point and another point in this measuring tool, and it would give you the exact dimensions. And that can be very, very useful when setting this up, if you want to be exact. I'm going to kind of just make something I think looks about right. We're going to go from there. So I have my first little circle here. I go into Create, and there's actually a rectangular pattern tool. And now I want to zoom in here because I need to select things. Let's see if you'll let me zoom in here. Yep, there you go. Okay. Now I will use the little hand tool just to move around. If you hit escape, it gets you out of all those tools, but I just want to make sure I'm grabbing the right thing. So I want this circle. There we go. And now I can use these manual tools to drag this out. And it looks like maybe 205 is probably good. Why is 205 not there? Okay, there we go. And then over here, it's how many instances. So we could say, I don't know, 10, 20, something like that. You're probably going to end up at 20. Yep, 20 is good. And then the next thing I would want to grab is this side over here that tells me how many up top. And I think I like that. So we're going to go with 6. And we hit OK. And now that gives me a whole bunch of these wonderful circles. We hit Finish Sketch. Now, I could go in and select every single one of these, like little circles, or I could come over here and I could hide this body that I just made. And now I have all of those circles, and when I go to Extrude, now I can grab this and do the same exact command, where it's -5, okay? And we don't want to join it again, we want to click New Body, and easy peasy. Thanks for your time, and let me know if you have any questions.